Everyone, in this video let's see what is a discardable result attribute. So this is an attribute. So let's see the use cases of this particular attribute in the Swift programming language. So generally in our program we do something, and sometimes we need the return value and sometimes we don't need the return value. For example, I'm saving a file and it's good to know whether the file got successfully saved or not. And if first in this method I save my file, and after that I return whether it is successful or file saving is successful or not. Let's say in this case true. So sometimes in another method what we do is, okay, we fetch the file, then what we do is we do save file. And some cases I don't need whether the file got saved or not, it's just a fire and forget call. And sometimes I need to see whether the file saving is successful or not. So if I take this value into into a constant or a variable, then it's fine. Otherwise, if we don't consider the return value, we get a compiler warning saying this particular return value is not being used. So let me show you that. For example, I just called the save file. I'm not worried about the return value whether it got successful or not. So you will get these warnings: result of a call save file is unused. So this is not a build error, but though it's a warning. Warnings are also not good in the project. So if you have a couple of these warnings, it looks very ugly in the project. So if someone else looks at your code, they may feel like something is wrong with this piece of code. So to silence these warnings, we use this discardable result attribute. This we can use it here like this. The moment we apply discardable result to this particular function, though you take the value into consideration or not, that the warning will go away, and this can be used like this also. So that's the use of discardable result. It may sound simple, but it is very useful in some cases, and this can be applied in the declarations as well, in the protocols. For example, let's say I have a func save file, let's say. So here itself I can declare it as I need a method with a discardable result. So this can be declared like this as well. So anyone that is conforming to this protocol, so it has to have a method save file, and it should so it is asking, as there is no return value, let's silence this warning as well. Okay, now this is the method, and whoever is conforming to this protocol, it has to have this discardable result attribute. So I hope this post is useful. Thank you.